Okay guys, we got an interesting one here. They said this Trailblazer right here, they said they said that the brakes will lock up and it won't want to go anywhere while you're driving. So I want to see if we can maybe bring up brake pressure. And I'm wondering if maybe they got a booster problem. I just got to get docked up. Okay, whenever this decides to read, we'll just start driving. We'll see what happens here. Feels fun. Okay guys, I got it docked up. So look at this. 20 miles an hour, I'm off the brakes. Look at that, we're slowing down. We're almost at a stop. Didn't even have to press the brakes to stop for the stop sign. That's how bad this is. Look how much gas I have to get it to start moving. My foot is off the brakes. So what I'm gonna do is, when we get back, I'm gonna look at our, here, watch this, look where the stop sign's at, look. Nothing's on, none of my feet are on. It just stops itself. So this is bad. And they said this will get to a point where it doesn't move. So let's pull down here and look at this. Nothing on the brakes and we're stopping. Look at that. It's crazy how bad this is. So what I want to look at, I want to see if on the scan tool, because I was able to get the scan finally. I had to put the VIN in, and we got this C0131 code. Let's go into our EBCM. Let's look at live data. Let's see what our pressure reading is. Pressure, look at that. So if we press the brake, pressure goes up, but it's not releasing. So let me what I'm going to do to try to eliminate this is, what we'll do is we'll try to unbolt the master cylinder and see if our pressure goes down. So let me try that quick. Okay guys, look at our master cylinder. 0 psi and 0.5 volts. So what I did was took a 15mm wrench and I loosened this up. See, so now we got some play on both sides. Loosened up both the bolts. So it's loose on that side and it's loose on this side. And our pressure dropped. So now we'll take this for a ride around the block and we'll see if this went away. And I have a feeling it did, so they're probably going to need a master cylinder. I don't think it's the booster. If you loosen that up, let's see. Our pressure goes up, comes back down to 0. Look at that. And our brake pedal actually feels a little better now. Before, there was very, very little travel. Oh, big difference now, guys. The car actually goes now in drive. Look at this. We're going on its own. I'm not even on the gas, and we're moving. Big difference. Look at that. Now we're rolling. Ooh, sorry, zoomed you guys in too far. So now look, I let go of the gas, and we just keep rolling. Now it doesn't feel like we were, before it got to the point where it felt like we were in 4-wheel drive driving in the snow, like 4 inches of snow in 4-wheel drive. That's how it felt. Big difference. Yeah, fuel economy is going to be like 10 times higher now. So actually, I think if they, I don't know what causes that, but if they put like 2 washers on each side, it'll probably be fine. They can replace the master cylinder too. Had this happen one time before in my girlfriend's grandma's car. The right rear caliper kept locking up in her Toyota. And if you loosen the master cylinder up, it didn't do it anymore. But look at this. So now we roll forever. So I'm gonna let them know about this and see what they want to do. But the fact that you loosen up the master cylinder and it fixes it means that something else is moving when it gets hot. I'll quick do a little bit of research and we'll see. But the fact that that fixed it, I think they'd be fine just loosening that up. Like just putting a washer under there.